Igbo alphabet. Let's start with the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. 23 of those 26 letters are also in the Igbo alphabet. C, Q, and X are not in the Igbo alphabet. So if you know the English alphabet, that means you already know 23 out of the 36 letters of the Igbo alphabet. So the Igbo alphabet has 36 letters. They are A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, Gwe, Hi, I, E, G, K, B, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, Nge, Nwe, Nye, O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z, the letters of the Igbo alphabet can also be written in small letters. Key points to remember. The Igbo alphabet has 36 letters. 23 of the 26 letters of the English alphabet are also in the Igbo alphabet. So the exception, what we don't have in the Igbo alphabet are C, Q, X. The Igbo alphabet has 9 digraphs. So as I said earlier, there is no C in the Igbo alphabet, but there is CH. So CH is one letter in Igbo. So when two letters are combined to form one letter, it is called digraphs. So there are 9 of them in Igbo alphabet, and the 9 are Chi, Gbe, Re, Gwe, Gbe, Kwe, Nye, Nwe, She. There are also 4 diacritics in the Igbo alphabet. The diacritics are the letters with dots above or beneath them, and they are E, A, O, Nge. Finally, Igbo is phonetic. English is not phonetic. What that means is the letters of the Igbo alphabet always represent the same sounds, so they don't change, and there are no silent letters in Igbo spelling or in the Igbo alphabet. The sounds are consistent in written and in pronunciation. Thank you. Kade.